Hi guys, the bad and good website that I'm going to be talking about is Overstock and Wayfair. The bad website is Overstock. As you can see, there's a lot of information. Um, it's just like an overload of furniture. It does not make me want to shop here at all. It's not very organized or categorized properly. You really have to get into it in order to see the categories. Right here, we're going to go into decor and we're going to be looking for mirrors. So as you can see, there's a lot of different types of mirrors, which is fine, but then there's a lot of categories: shape, color, style. I do like that it's very bright, but there's a lot of like discounts all over the place. I don't feel like it's very organized. Um, right over here, it's not very appealing. There's just way too much information. Like, I don't want to look at all that. I'm not an interior designer. I'm just trying to buy a mirror. So it does seem like this is set for someone that, I guess, like an interior designer. The second website that I will be talking about is Wayfair. Wayfair is my favorite one to shop. As you scroll down, there's not much about discounts. There's just, one big bulletin. Categories are up top. There's not like 10, 15 categories. And if you just don't know what you're doing, you can just go right into room ideas and just do what you have to do. This, not only is it good for the eyes, because it's just basically like kind of like two colors, even though it's like basically one. And it really allows you to see the product as opposed to seeing like a different background, where Overstock is really just over the top with colors. This is just very simple. You know exactly what you want. You go in, you click on it. Again, it's really basically all about the product. Bedding, mattresses, and if you just want something on sale. Excuse me. Alright, let's go back. I want to show you guys how simple it is to buy something here. You want a quick view. It makes everything dark in the background. So as you can see, it's very easy. It's very modern, actually. As opposed to Overstock, it's not as user friendly as Wayfair. Let's go back to Overstock and see how it is. So if you go add to cart, there's just like an overload of things. And I add to cart here. And then right off the bat, it just shows you so many other mirrors. So really, like, second guesses whatever you want to buy. So like I said, guys, it might look like they're very similar, but when it comes to shopping, this is just a lot cleaner and a lot more organized. It gives you a lot more information than the other one, and really allows you to see what you want to buy. This is my last SmackDown, so I hope that you guys enjoyed it. This is a very cool website to shop from. Overstock is just, it's not that good. Alright, thanks guys.